you're not only supposed to like help people that are at your church. I mean, you're supposed to help people all around the world. I mean, that's what preaching's all about, right? I mean, so I read this book and it's called Brick Builders. And I just read it and it says that 3 men walked past this man who was lying on the ground that was bleeding. So one man, he was a preacher, and he didn't help him because he didn't really know that that's what preaching's all about. Like, helping people all around the world. And then the second man, he's like one of those people who like stand up on a stage and sing or act. And he came by and he did the same thing. But this third man, he came by and he felt sad for the man. But he helped him up and he put him on his own donkey and helped him. So if you go to church or you're a preacher, you should help people all around the world. Even if you see one and you don't know him, you're supposed to still help him. Like I said, that's what preaching's all about. Kids Word of the Day, Holy Coast, no pain.